be showing you how to make a solar shower. This project is great for if you're out camping or just hanging out at the sandbar and want to rinse off before heading out. All right, guys, the first thing you're going to need is a 5-foot 4-inch PVC pipe. And the other items you're going to need are 2 4-inch caps, a 4-inch flush clean-out tee, a hose bib, and a 1-inch by 3/4-inch black bushing, a Schrader valve, some waterproof sealant, some black spray paint, and a hose and nozzle. The first thing we're going to do is cut our 5-foot piece of PVC. Now, it doesn't matter where you cut it. This is just where you're going to be putting your clean-out tee. We're going to be cutting about 18 inches from the end. Now we're going to prime and cement our 2 cut pieces into each side of the tee. All right, now that I've got the main pipe built, I'm going to go ahead and attach the valve to one of the caps. This is how you're going to pressurize your shower. I know what you're thinking, that's a paddle bit and it's made for wood. However, it does work great if you're trying to get a hole drilled into a curved surface. You can put the valve on either side, but we're going to be putting it on the side with our spigot. And now we're going to drill another hole into the cap to attach our spigot. Now that we've got our components installed, we're going to use primer and cement to attach our caps to both sides. The only thing to know here is you want your spigot facing down and your clean out facing up. While we're waiting on all the cement to set, we're going to screw on our clean out cap and then paint it all black. Now, you don't have to paint it black, but this is what's going to heat up your water during the day. If you're looking for a cold shower, just leave it unpainted. All right, while we're waiting on it to dry, we're going to use a piece of a pool noodle to create some pads for it to sit on. First, just cut your pool noodle in half and then cut out a little divot out of the rounded side. All right, let's go get some water and fill her up. Now to put the water in the tube, you'll open up your clean out valve and pour it in. Once you've got the water in, make sure you have your clean out valve closed tight. Now you'll hook up your air compressor to your valve and turn it on. Once it's built up some pressure, go ahead and open up your spigot and get to washing. This is obviously going to work better the higher your tube is, so if you got a roof rack, throw it on it. All right, guys, what other DIY outdoor hacks do you know of? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you're checking out the new episodes of Red Hot Building every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the farm, I'm Ashla Taylor.